In a significant judgment, the Orissa High Court dismissed an appeal filed by the Commissioner of Customs, Preventive, under Section 130 of the Customs Act, 1962, challenging the Customs, Excise, and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, order in favor of MSSL Mining and Industries Limited. The case revolved around the method of calculating iron, Fe, content in exported iron ore fines, whether it should be based on wet metric ton, WMT, or dry metric ton, DMT. The court upheld the CESTAT's decision to rely on the test report from MS Mitra SK Private Ltd, an NABL accredited private testing agency, which calculated Fe content on WMT basis. This was in line with the export contract terms and the legal position before the Finance Act, 2022 amendment. The court rejected the CRCL test report, which calculated Fe content on DMT basis, citing a significant time lag in testing that could lead to inaccurate results. The judgment followed key legal precedents, including Union of India v. Gangadhar Narsinghadas Agrawal, 1988 established that export duty should be calculated based on the condition of goods at the time of export, including moisture content. V.M. Salgaonkar and Brother Pvt. Limited v. Assistant Commissioner of Customs, Export, 2022 reaffirmed the use of WMT for Fe content calculation in iron ore exports prior to the 2022 amendment. The court concluded that no substantial question of law arose from the CESTAT's order and emphasized the importance of adhering to established legal precedents and consistent practices in customs assessments. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.